Greetings again from the Traveling Real Estate Agents. We are up north and it is chilly, but it's a beautiful day up here actually. Just wanted to kind of show you. It's so peaceful. It's all you hear is the wind up here. So I'm going to be quiet for a while as I walk here. There's the river down there. It looks like they've been running some snowmobiles on it. Kind of surprised because the water's coming up down there. I guess that's it. Like I said, it was a beautiful day. Wanted you to see it. And again, the sounds of silence reminds me of a Simon and Garfunkel song. Traveling Real Estate Agents are over and out.